Welcome to our tutorial on installing an SSL certificate in cPanel. Let's jump right in. After logging into cPanel, scroll down and click on SSL/TLS. You can leave the default settings as they are and click on the link to generate a certificate signing request. Leave it set to generate a new key. Enter your domain name into the domains field. Then fill out the rest of the mandatory fields. These fields won't be validated or displayed on your SSL certificate, so you can enter whatever you want. Scroll down and click Generate. Your private key and certificate signing request are automatically created by cPanel. Select and copy the CSR. Then switch to your certificate provider, in this case, cPanel. To keep this video shorter, we've already purchased a fast SSL certificate and have started the issuance process. Paste your CSR into the field, then double-check the domain name. There are several options you can choose from to validate domain ownership. In this case, we'll use file validation. Enter your contact details so you can be notified if there's an issue with your certificate. Then scroll down and click Submit. Now we need to complete validation so the certificate authority can issue the SSL certificate. Download the validation file and save it on your computer. Then switch back to cPanel. Go to the dashboard. Then open the File Manager. Go to Settings and be sure the option to show hidden files is enabled. Open Public HTML, then Well Known. If there's not already a folder named Well Known, create one. Be sure to include the dot at the beginning. We need to place the validation file in a PKI validation subfolder, so let's create that. After creating the folder, open PKI validation and click Upload. Click on Select File and choose the authentication file you previously downloaded. Upload the authentication file and confirm that it's been saved. Now go back to SSL Security and click Request Domain Verification. It typically takes about 5 minutes for the certificate authority to complete validation and issue the certificate. Once the certificate has been issued, download it from the Manage Order page. Then we'll open up the zip folder. Open up the Plain Text Files folder. Then open up the file that matches your website's domain name. Select All and copy the certificate. Now we switch back to cPanel. Click on the logo to go to the dashboard. Then scroll down and go back to the SSL and TLS section. On the right side, click Manage SSL Sites. Scroll down to the Install an SSL Website section and select your domain name. Then paste in your SSL certificate and click Autofill by Certificate. As you can see, cPanel has automatically filled in the private key and CA bundle fields. If cPanel can't autofill the CA bundle, there's a copy in the zip folder with your SSL certificate you can copy-paste. Now click Install Certificate, and you're done. Your SSL certificate is installed. You can double-check by visiting your website using HTTPS and confirm that there's no security warning. Your site visitors are now protected by HTTPS.